Hey everyone, this is a Kmart vintage flip clock radio. You can see Kmart. It's got this cool little spinner thing that kind of simulates the mechanical motion of this clock. We'll just keep the pointer on here for a little bit and we'll watch it flip. I've had it plugged in for a few days. It seems to be keeping time. Any time now it should flip. It does have AM, FM, and then a lovely buzzer for the alarm. There, it just went to 10:55. Tone controls, volume. We can go ahead and turn it on here. Let's see, make sure I got it.
Sudden bout of food poisoning made it explicitly clear that profit on the run.
So I'm unable to get it to work on FM. And I flip it over. Oh, that's the buzzer. If I flip this one over to FM, it goes silent, and I can't seem to pick up anything. I'm guessing maybe it needs a antenna, or there's something just not quite right working inside for the FM. So right now it's just being sold as an AM only. Flip it back over to...
How great that the offensive line was giving Romo protection. At one point he directed traffic. He was upright long enough.
Okay, so then we'll flip this over to auto for the alarm. I'll just roll this around until it clicks on here. I'll get around to 10 a.m. There you go. And then give you an idea of the buzzer. Good morning. That's a good way to wake up. This also has a sleep setting, so you can crank the dial over and it'll count down. Looks like up to 60 minutes of sleep time. Let's go ahead and shut this off here. Oh, we have a sleep timer on, so I'll turn that down. There we go. And then spin it around here so you can see it's made for Kmart, made in Hong Kong. And I'll give you a little look at the bottom as well. It's upside down, and the cord's in good shape. It looks like the original cord, 2-prong. So that's my vintage Kmart flip radio. Thanks for watching.